Hello. How are you? Welcome to my humble abode. I don't know what that is for Spanish, but that's what it is for English. Hi. So.
What?
Woo! Okay.
Yeah, no.
Hi guys. So, if you clicked on the title and you read that title, then you know this is the room tour at the Majestic Elegance. We are club members. Get with it, get lost. But let's just get into the room tour. I ain't gonna do too much talking. So right here, we have the bathroom. Okay, we have a nice garden tub. Wait, is this a garden tub? Yeah. I don't know what kind of tub this is, but it's nice. Then you have this, so like if you're taking a bath and stuff, you can sit your phone, laptop, some wine or something like that up there and still relax. Here you can hang your robes, which I actually need to do. And we have some towels that say Majestic.
Majestic.
Okay, over here is, we have double sinks, his and her sinks. We've already kind of started unpacking, so you'll see our stuff kind of out, but still kind of organized. Look, your girl came prepared, okay? All the essentials right there. That's what you need. All of them right there. Don't play. So, anybody want to guess what this is? Anybody? Any takers?
Put down in the comments which one's the left and which one's the right.
Yeah. Okay. Which one do you want to start on?
The left.
Okay. This right here is the shower. It's your shower. Like I said, my body wash and stuff are in there, but it's a shower. Nice rainfall shower. And the right, you have your el toilette. And
is that what that is in Spanish?
I don't know what it is in Spanish. And there's a phone here as well. I guess like if you run out of tissue or anything like that, you can call your butler.
You might need that.
Oh, let's rewind. Hold on. Go back to the front, boo. Go back to the front. Remember we was telling y'all about the club? So because we are club members, yes we are, all the way in Mexico, we have a butler that is 24 hours. So anytime we need anything or anything like that, we reach out to our butler. She's so sweet and she, you know, she gets it done. With our butler, this right here, like if you order room service, once again, because we are club members, we have 24 we have 24-hour room service. Club members only. So here you can put in your room service, or like if there's no food in there and you need towels or anything and you don't want her to disturb you,
right there,
his or her, you can tell them, hey, can you place some towels in there, but I don't feel like coming to the door, and they'll do that as well.
So this is the closet, the big master closet, you know what I mean? So we'll start with your boy's side. Got a few fits here, nothing
a little
really
drip.
major. A little drip, you know what I mean? You know, got the pants. Y'all gonna see the pictures. Make sure you follow me on Instagram so you can see these fits. And then I have everything laid out here, y'all. I'm gonna keep it a stack of beans.
Keep it a stack. Keep it a stack.
Your boy only brought like 2 pair of underwear, so I don't know what I'm about to do. I brought 2 pairs of underwear. I don't know what I'm finna do. We might have to go to Walmart or something, but yeah. And then your boy got his sneakers down here, so I brought my foam runners. Brought these 350s.
Some slides back there. Look who them is.
And then brought my 450s, and then I got some Stan Smiths, nice little dinner shoe. So yeah, that's pretty much it. With my closet, got some hats up here. Only brought 3 hats, nothing major. And then I got like a little Adidas, little crossbody.
So everyone knows me. I am a pack rat. So let's get it going. I got a beach bag and some sunscreen and what's that called? Mosquito repellent. All my
what?
Mosquito repellent.
Repellent.
Now who you know saying repellent?
That's how it's pronounced. It repels, not repellent.
I got some mosquito repellent.
Oh my gosh.
I have my sunglasses laid out. I have my perfume. Some of my jewelry is laid out. And you know, we are only here for 3 days, but yet somehow I ended up with like 11 pairs of shoes. Don't ask, I don't know. But all my shoes are down here. Actually do ask because it's my birthday, so of course I'm gonna have the fits. Don't play. Okay, I'm sorry. I have my bags up here, and then I have some of my like dressier fits hung up, and then bathing suits, shorts, shirts, stuff like that.
We about to get into my favorite part, which is the actual room. You know what I mean? So come in here. We gonna pan to the right first. So
That's our left though.
okay, my right, y'all left.
Okay, gotcha.
So right here we got like a little coffee machine. I mean, might make some coffee, might not. Of course, we got the Pedialyte because we might get a little drunk. And so we need this to keep us hydrated. We also have a full mini bar. So all of this is basically free, all inclusive. So how you open this?
Just to let y'all know, anytime
Yes,
the
they
all
do have creamer.
anytime all inclusive is an option, we're gonna do it every single time.
Yeah.
Cause
I
I
don't
don't
know
see
if
the
we'll
point.
really like do an Airbnb for real, depending on the location where
Yeah.
we travel. But yeah, it's fully stocked. You know, got your sodas and water and all that good stuff.
And it's restocked every day too. So
Yeah. Another thing with the club member, you get a free bottle of liquor. Or wine or
both
sparkling.
liquor and sparkling
Yeah,
wine.
but we didn't get it yet. So whenever we ask her to,
But
bring
we
it,
don't need to.
yeah, because we got that Don Julio. But yeah, other than that, that's it for the mini bar. You know, got some other
Got
stuff.
some chips, some coffee, some peanuts.
Yeah, nice little TV here. Look like it's about like a, what, 50 maybe?
I give it a 43, 43 to 50.
It's like, yeah, 43 to 50. I think it's a 50. But yeah, that's pretty much it over here. Nice little high table so you can eat. Also, we have 24-hour room service with being a club member.
Club.
So 24-hour room service, so we can come right here and eat if we want to. Then we're gonna come over here. I'm gonna save the best for last.
Yep.
I'm gonna save the best
That'll
for
be
last.
my part. Go ahead.
But nice little couch. I don't know if this pulls out. It does.
It does.
So, you know, if we have somebody staying with us, that's a pull-out couch. Or for
It's an option,
watching,
you know.
It's an option. And boom! You know what I'm saying? This is a king bed. Of course, we had to get a king bed. I don't know. I'm sure this comes in a double. I don't know. But yeah. King bed for sure. Oh, this feels so good. Have you gotten this in?
No, I haven't.
Okay. Well, yeah. Another cool thing.
Oh, you
want to
show them how to work this stuff?
So another cool thing with this room is basically this controls the whole room.
Wave your
Kind of,
hand.
sort of. So yeah, that's that. This can control the lights. I'm not gonna touch it because we're still trying to figure out how to work it. It controls the lights, the ceiling fan, these lights right here. I do know
The air.
that right there. You know. Also controls the air, and it has a close window button. But we don't know what window it closes yet, so we're gonna try that out, and then we may put it in the video. But other than that,
It
cell
also has
phone.
a speaker.
Oh yeah, a speaker as well. So yeah, other than that, that's pretty much it for the room. We're gonna hop outside, and then y'all will get to see the Fi-Fi. And this is what really made us come to this hotel.
All right, y'all. So, shout out to Brooklyn Kennedy. I think that's her name. She put us onto this hotel. It was the first vlog we ever watched for Mexico when we were coming here, and I was sold the first time I saw it. And let me show you what sold me.
Yeah.
So, outside, once again, before we go out there, because it's a little windy, we are on the adult side. That's another thing about being like a club member. You get the adult side, you get private bars, private pools, stuff like that. So we're gonna go outside and y'all can see what actually sold us on this hotel. So, there is a humongous balcony. I mean, if you want to come out here and do yoga, if you want to come out
I
here
might
and do
actually do that.
really.
Yoga in the morning with the sun.
It
with the sunrise?
is humongous. You can do a lot. You can move. All this stuff is movable, so you can move all this to the side. And you can have this whole balcony to do whatever you want to do. As y'all can see though, like look at the view. Like, come on, how could you not pick this hotel? It's giving very much luxury. Very much, wow, chef's kiss.
Seriously.
So let's pan around this way. And boom, so we have a jacuzzi. This is what sold me. I've been wanting an outside jacuzzi for a long time, and it's hard to find that in hotels. So we do have an outside jacuzzi that we're probably gonna get in tonight to break it in. And we have a lounge bed. This is our own personal, you know, stuff in our own suite. So we're definitely going to, you know, enjoy it. Why not? We in Mexico.
Right.
And it's my birthday.
Right.
So why not?
24. So
You know?
this is the room tour, y'all.
Yes,
We're gonna
y'all.
put all of the information down below in the description. So yeah, we're looking forward to it. Right, if you're watching this video and you haven't watched the actual vlog, go over there and watch that first, and then come back and watch this. But it'll probably be up before this goes up. But
Watch it.
other than that, yeah, we about to relax,
Enjoy.
shower, probably get dressed up. It is currently, what time is it?
I don't have my watch
I got
on.
mine. 6:45, so we might just chill out. and
Speaking
then
of, before
go
we
get some
while we
lunch.
talking about the time, I thought Mexico was on Central Time. Like when I googled it, it said Central Time.
I don't know. I didn't even look at it. I don't really care. I'm in Mexico. I ain't worried about the time. I ain't worried about none of that. So yeah. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys enjoyed the tour.
Yeah.
We'll catch y'all in another video. So kisses. Oh, you got lipstick on. All right, peace. Peace, y'all.